What is up, guys? Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to disable OneDrive on your Windows 11 and stop syncing on the folder. So first, you need to head over to the OneDrive's app icon, which will be on the right side at the bottom. And when you click on this, on the right side at the top, click on the settings icon. And then first, let's pause the syncing by just clicking on pause syncing. And then you can just select the time till you want to pause the syncing, and after that, when you have selected the time, click on settings. And now let's disable your OneDrive. And after coming to the settings, you need to click on account. After coming to the accounts tab, you will see the option of unlink this PC. Click on this and then your OneDrive will be unlinked from this PC, which means disabling it from your computer. So this is how you can disable OneDrive from Windows 11 and stop syncing folders. So that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.